How to use Magic Eraser in Google Photos. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to use Magic Eraser in Google Photos. So ensure that you've updated the Photos app to the latest version. If not, head over to your Play Store and on the search box, you need to go ahead and type in Google Photos. When you locate that, you have to go ahead and press on the update button. If not, then when it is completely updated, click the open button, and this is how it's going to look like. Now what next you need to do is you just have to go ahead and open up your image or the media that you wish to go ahead and use the magic tool to. Let's say this is the one. Now what you need to do is click the edit button, and as you press on the edit button, you can go to tools, and then you can go ahead and locate Magic Eraser. Over here you can see tap to erase highlighted suggestion. So go ahead and tap on it just like this. Let's say just do this. Maybe this is the one. So you could go ahead and erase this. In that way, you could go ahead and simply use the Magic Eraser tool. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.